Today we're gonna be reviewing this triple head vending machine I got from eBay. It cost me $189. This is an all metal triple head vending machine. And if you didn't see my last review of the cheap vending machines I got from eBay, they were made out of plastic, which, you know, it's alright. But what I'm gonna show you today is how to assemble a triple head vending machine. I'm gonna tell you what I like and don't like about it. And let's see if it works with some candy. Unlike the vendstar 3000 from eBay that I got, this one actually came with instructions. I'm looking at this right now and it seems like it's one candy and two gumballs. I'm gonna take this opportunity to make this a candy, gumball, and bouncy ball. Let's see how easy it is to put together.
Everything I do is foreign, you know what I mean? Yeah, foreign. Yeah, you see my web, you know.
I don't understand. Well, they gave me 6 keys. But I mean, I'll take them. I ain't gonna complain. I could always use extra keys.
Foreign. Yeah, you know my web, you know it's foreign. I'm so foreign. Then you see my girl, you know she foreign. I'm in Lauren. You been wearing Tommy, got that foreign. You so boring. I've been up and working, that is foreign. I've been up and working till the morning, yeah. They been sleeping now, I swear they snoring, yeah.
So I'm trying to put this in here, but it just doesn't fit. So I gotta go to Ace Hardware, see if I could find some smaller screws. Oh man. Hopefully. That's the biggest headache I have with this machine. But we'll see, man, we'll see.
Put them in the dirt, say it again, man, and that's a reverse. Never rehearse, jumping in first. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd, change the berserk, don't get.
Put them on, works perfectly. Now let's check if the machine works with products.
I've been Roosevelt, I need a new deal. Trying to figure out what I should do still. I'm really never waiting here too still. I don't even know what I should say at all. Should I jump?
This right here controls how much quantity of candy comes out. But let's test it out. I got my little bag of M&Ms as a test. And I went to Dollar Tree to go buy a whole bunch of different 1-inch products, and let's see if they work. There's a gumball. There's a bouncy ball. I believe this is an acorn. Let's see if they work with my machine. For the M&Ms, we want between 7 to 10 candies. That's about half an ounce. And of course, if you guys want to see how much an ounce costs for a vending machine, how much profit you make with a vending machine, check out this video right here, because I break it down to the pennies. If I buy the big pack from Smart & Final, it will cost me about 7 cents for every transaction, making an 18-cent profit. Gum cost me 4 cents. This one's gonna be bouncy balls. For the M&Ms, we want between 7 to 10 candies. That's about half an ounce. Let's try it again. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good to go. Now let's see if the toys and gumballs and the bouncy balls, they work. Now, let's check the back. Yeah. One thing I don't like is that it came with 2 gumball spots when I wanted 2 candy. And he said 2 candy. I am gonna put this vending machine in the location because I already got it, I already spent the money. But I wouldn't go back to that eBay vending machines because the plastic ones I just reviewed in my last video, which you could check out right here, cheap. This one right here, great quality, but I got the wrong compartments. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to a website, Gumball Machine Warehouse, gumball.com, and buy a machine from a real business. See how the quality is, the shipping, the price. And for the labels, I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did with the cheap vending machines from eBay. Print out the label and just tape it to the plexiglass. And just letting you know, next video is gonna be about me finding locations for my vending machines, alright? So make sure to subscribe so you can see that one. Like this video to let me know I gotta be making more vending machine videos. And I'll see you in my next video.